In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Udemy subscription, step by step, so you can start learning as soon as possible. First, open your web browser and go to the Udemy website. Make sure you're on the official site and that the address bar shows the secure connection symbol. If you already have a Udemy account, go ahead and log in with your existing credentials. If you don't have an account yet, click on the option to sign up and create a new one using your email address or a supported sign-in method. Take a moment to confirm you can successfully access your account before moving on. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of the page for the section related to subscriptions or Udemy's membership offering. The exact wording can vary by region, but you're generally looking for something that mentions a subscription or all-access learning. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page that explains what's included, such as unlimited access to a selection of courses or other benefits like practice tests or learning paths. On this page, you'll see the available subscription plans. These might be monthly, yearly, or sometimes region-specific. Carefully review the pricing, billing frequency, and any notes about renewal. It's a good idea to quickly compare the options and choose the one that best fits how long you plan to study. When you're ready, click on the button to start or buy the subscription for the plan you want. Udemy will now take you to the checkout or payment page. Here, you'll need to add your billing details. Select your preferred payment method, such as a credit or debit card, or any other options offered in your country. Enter your payment information carefully, double-checking details like the card number and expiration date. Make sure your billing address matches what your bank or payment provider has on file to avoid any issues. Before you finalize the purchase, look over the order summary. Confirm the subscription plan, the price, the billing period, and whether it will renew automatically. If there is a promo or discount field and you have a valid code, enter it now and confirm that the total updates correctly. When everything looks good, click the button to complete your purchase. Wait a few moments while the payment processes, and you should see a confirmation message on screen. After that, you'll have access to your Udemy subscription, and you can start browsing courses, adding them to your learning list, and beginning your lessons right away.